Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fill holes in Bambu Studio. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, I will show you here on this example. Let's say we want a solid here in the middle of this model. So what we are going to do is right click your model and we can place here add part. Now I will select here a cylinder because I have circle in the middle, so I will use that one, but you can use whatever your hole is. If you have more cubic hole, then use cube. Now I will use cylinder. Okay. Now I will move it right here to see. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we will basically scale it a little bit. So I will place it. So you just press on model and then drag it to your this desired destination. Okay. Now I will try to make it really close to that here, to this one. So I will resize it a little bit. So you can use a scale tool, which is uh, right here. You can press also S key on your keyboard. And now you will see here scale size in percentages and millimeters. So I will not type in the numbers. I will just use here and drag it a little bit like so. And that I will check everything. So I need that one. So I will just place it right now as it should be, as I would like to be. Like that. I think that's great. Now I need to go back up and I need to lower it a little bit because my model is not that big, so I will just drag it down. Let's say just something like that. And now what we are going to do is simply press slice here at the top right corner. And as long as your new sphere shape completely fills the empty gap and touches the inside walls, Bambu Studio will automatically meld them together into one solid piece when you click this slice plate. Now I think I didn't do it perfectly, so let's see what will happen. Yeah, as you can see, it's not that super great, but for showing you how it can be, I think it's solid. So yeah, this is basically how you can fill holes in Bambu Studio. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next